Too late.
I know what I'm doing. It's not my first day.
It's easier to do with heat.
I know it's easier, but I like things the hard way. That's what she said.
Can you take the wrap off for the tint?
I don't do tint with them.
Yeah. All you know to make burritos. Yeah. Armenians made cars in the past. You guys made burritos. That's the difference.
Hey, but you eat the burrito, right?
Touch it. Do you feel any glue? Now go back and write some estimates.
Look, you gotta take this off now. How are you gonna take the thing off?
It comes off easily, trust me. It's all in the motion. Are you impressed that I'm doing something?
Yeah.
The customer got a tinting ticket, so we gotta remove the tint so it can show that it's removed.
Well, I don't do this every day, but we need this car done today so we can wash it. We just powder coated the wheels and get this car out of here.
John, help me with the tint!
You were sitting on the couch while we were filming.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You were sitting in the G-Wagon not moving the car.
No, I was testing the G-Wagon.
Acting like you had to take it out, and then you took it out, but then you brought it right back in.
Yeah, because there's a suspension problem.
Oh, there's a special problem.
Suspension.
Oh.
There's a light came out, EPS.
Oh, whose fault is that?
Am I in the suspension department?
Oh, look what you did with the box.
Oh, man, answer the phone call.
Moses has it.
Make shoes and RDB5 tires. I'm not.
No, I'm not kicking. Hold on.
Then it goes.
Bro, I just called so I'm not gonna hit it.
Okay.
Oh, sh.
Hey! Hold on, give me 1 second. What the f is wrong with you?
What happened?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. You're welcome.
It's not even taking off the hair. Is it?
It is.
Where?
Look.
Where?
Right here.
It's not coming off. It's trimming it.
Hey! Oh!
See? Ah! See, it doesn't come off.
Hey! You crackhead!
What?
Look!
Wait, you have to do it a lot.
Yeah. I look like a dead dog.
Oh, what the f? Why would a dead dog look like that? Alright guys, we got this Urus behind me. This is a completely custom color, okay? So we printed this, it's not readily available. There is a Tiffany green. You saw the Satin Key West wrap we did last time in gloss on that Huracan. This is almost like a Tiffany, but there's pearl in it. So the pearl really what sets it off. When you see the angles and it's brighter, that's what the pearl effect does. So this is completely custom printed, and then it has a satin lamination on it. We went ahead and did the wheels as well. We don't like wrapping wheels, but flat surfaces on wheels we could wrap. We did that so it matches. Yellow brake calipers to go with the color. The interior of this car matches the color really, really well. We're experts with Urus, and this thing looks incredible. We're doing 3 colorways of this car for our client Yo Gotti. Doing a Cullinan, and we're doing an F8 Ferrari. The Cullinan is going to be the gloss version of this, and the F8 is going to be the same color. We're waiting for the wheels on those cars, but for now we got this Urus done. Check out the wheels here. They're factory black and silver actually. So where this blue is, it was silver. So it's a two-tone 23-inch wheel for the Urus. But we wrapped it, looks really nice. It's reversible, no damage. And obviously that big brake caliper is painted a Ferrari yellow color. This is the biggest production caliper brake system on a vehicle. Brakes really well and it looks incredible when it's colored. So added little touches, no painting the wheel, just a simple wrap to match the color, looks amazing. This interior is really cool, honestly. It's like it's not white, it's like off-white. So it goes really nice with the Tiffany. This car was a really nice blue color before, so it was a really dope spec'd Urus. But with the Tiffany and this color, satin Tiffany, this looks amazing. He still has a silver trim on it. I'm not used to that because mine, I changed it to forged carbon. Yeah, mine is way darker interior, but it's really dope. My car's tuned on 24s and it's slammed. So this thing is ultra comfortable. Mine is a little bit rougher for sure, but the Urus is such a great car. We're getting a lot of them in. We have 2 waiting for wide bodies, which are gonna be really dope builds. A lot of Urus going on right now, so super excited for that. I'm gonna be rewrapping my car. You guys have saw little teasers on Instagram of what color to choose. It's been really difficult to choose a color. I'm tossed between the green and an army tan color. So either army green or army tan. Both of them are gloss. So satin looks really good on the Urus, but I think I'm gonna go gloss this time. I don't know why, but I just want it to look more like paint this time. So I'm excited for that. That's gonna be happening in the next 2 weeks or so. I gotta finish a lot of cars before I do mine, unfortunately. My wrap got beat up in the LA sun. It's been really hot. I don't really garage it. I'm at the shop all day long, so the sun baked on it. The top of the roof is turning yellow. It's been about a year in that color, so I think the brush material also soaks in that dirt more and then the sun bakes it. So yeah, you gotta take care of your cars. I didn't wash it enough. I should have, and I should have kept it in the shade more, but I have a wrap shop, body shop, so why not? Time to change the color.
Me? Why did he get me? Why did he get me? What did I do? I guess he got a better call. They're going after Vic. All right, close call.
Alright guys, we got this really awesome Volcano Yellow Mclaren 720S. This is a fully loaded car. It's got a lot of carbon. It's got the race package. It's got the racing seats, which I've never seen in a 720 before. Pretty cool stuff. It's a brand new car. My buddy bought it, brought it straight here. We did the yellow matching brake calipers. He needed that. We did the front reflector matching that gray that he has in that duct right there. And then we also installed catless downpipes. That is literally what this car needs. He doesn't even have a back muffler section. You could do it, get a little bit more power, a little bit more noise, but just the cat pipes alone makes a ton of difference. This is gonna get tuned too. Super fast car, as you guys already know, the 720 is making a lot of noise. Known to be a very fast car. They're running 8-second high quarter miles with just tunes and exhaust systems. So really dope car. This one is put together really well. I think the newer ones are starting to get a little bit better, more reliable hopefully. So really awesome in this color. We don't see yellow 720Ss often. So whenever you do cat pipes and they have a heat shield around them, they have to actually get treated. When it gets hotter and hotter, they actually melt onto the pipe and they become heat treated. And that's what the smoke was. After a few drives, the smoke will go away. Totally safe, so don't freak out on that. We were actually driving pretty slow when we passed by a hidden motorcycle cop. We thought he was gonna pull me over, but he went after Mano in the film car. So everything went well, no tickets, nothing. We weren't doing anything crazy. So another day in RDB filming.